Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, July 22nd. I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the Aussie dollar, I still think this looks like a big WXY, three waves of W, three waves of X. I still think this needs to make an ABC of wave Y, which I still suspect will eventually go up and take out these previous highs. This is the monthly, so that's going to take a very long time to play out. Going down to the weekly time frame, I still suspect this right here is a wave 1. I still think this is a WXY or an ABC of 2. And I still think on these higher time frames like the weekly that it will continue to make higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and just keep on trending up for this wave 3. So keeping all that in mind, let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we've definitely been going down pretty strong for pretty much a week and a half, 2 weeks now. We definitely do have a break to the downside on the daily, so I am definitely looking for shorts on sort of time frames. But I am definitely keeping in mind that there is a pretty good chance it could make a higher low, and just keep on trending up at some point. But for now, I'm definitely looking for shorts until we can actually prove that it is going back up. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, our last major structure level is right here. So if price does, bounce from a fib level, go up and break that structure, then that definitely will turn me into a buyer at the end of every pullback I see. But really, there's no evidence of something like that happening. I mean, to me, this definitely looks like a downtrend. Possibly it could be like an expanding flat on the daily or a running flat. Either way, I'm definitely watching these Fibonacci levels very closely. If it makes that double bottom, 3, 4, 5 shape, but then a break a structure to the upside, I definitely would stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs. Or if it goes up and breaks this structure, I would also stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs. But for now, I'm definitely looking for shorts, and guess what? If it just keeps on trending down and I'm looking for shorts anyways, then that's definitely not going to cause an issue for me. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, but as of right now, I am only looking for shorts, and I'm only looking to go short on pullbacks. So if I see something like that, then I see a lower high, then I definitely will continue to go short every chance I get, as long as I don't get a break of this area right here to the upside, a break and hold to the upside. I am only looking for shorts, and I'm only looking to go short at the end of pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.